Yatharth has not joined till now. Ronit, give me an answer why my call was not picked up. See, this is not the way that you come and sit in the class and don't answer the teachers. This is not the way of attending the online classes.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Tell me, Ronit, I will not begin with the class until and unless you answer. Or I'll remove you from the group itself today. You don't want to study, I'll remove you from the group. Because you're not attending all the classes. Teachers are complaining. Should I remove you? You don't want to
Attending all the classes.
Where are you sitting? So much of noise is coming. Sit in some aloof place, some separate room, and then only you can talk. Open the your microphone and talk properly. Okay, children, till where we have done in endocrine system?
Pancreas, ma'am, we have written that pancreas is a part of endocrine system as well as digestive system, as it releases hormones like insulin and glucagon in the bloodstream and also releases digestive enzymes through the pancreatic duct for better absorption of food.
Okay. So we started yesterday with the endocrine system. Yes?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, it is a chemical messenger system comprising of the hormones released by internal glands of the body.
Yes. And what are hormones?
The hormones carry set of instructions from one set of cells to another.
Be a little loud. I cannot hear.
Ma'am, they are a kind of secretions controlled by the hypothalamus that carry set of instructions from one set of cells to another.
Yes. So you all have understood what are hormones, what is endocrine system all about. Then I told you about exocrine glands. What are exocrine glands?
No, you did not tell about the exocrine gland. Just tell that major glands that make up the endocrine system.
Pour their secretions directly into the bloodstream. Yes?
Ma'am, we have done major glands that make up the endocrine system.
Okay. Akash Singh, who has joined?
I'm the new student.
I'm new student.
Okay, yes, Akash. Okay, Akash, welcome to your class.
Yes, ma'am.
These are your classmates. You attended the previous classes, Akash?
Yes, ma'am.
You attended the previous periods? Which classes you had today?
Geography.
First class you are attending today?
No, ma'am, we joined geography.
You joined geography and?
Ma'am, this is the second class.
Yeah, this is the second class. Okay. Okay, Akash, take out your notebook. You have your bio book with you?
Yes, ma'am.
And ma'am, we have also done the major glands that make up the endocrine system are hypothalamus, pituitary gland, thyroid gland, parathyroid gland, pineal gland, the ovaries, and the testicles.
Yes. We have done this much. Yes?
Yes, ma'am. The pancreas is a special type of gland, so which is the type of digestive.
Yes, pancreas is a heterocrine gland, which is functioning both as endocrine also and exocrine also. It is helping in managing the glucose levels of the body by releasing insulin in the body. And then it is functioning as a
Digestive
gland also, as it is
system.
storing the pancreatic juice, the
Stomach.
yes, small intestine for better absorption.
Absorption and digestion of food.
Okay. Now put the heading. Some of the I had given the list of some of the glands.
Yes, ma'am.
What were the glands?
Hypothalamus, pituitary gland, thyroid gland, parathyroid gland, pineal gland, the ovaries and the testes.
Very good. Right. First gland write down. Pituitary gland.
Ma'am, hypothalamus. Sir.
Okay, we'll do it. Write down. Pituitary gland.
Ma'am, just 1 minute.
In at 8th level,
In just 1 minute.
we have
Pituitary
many
gland.
hormones released from pituitary. But
Ma'am, please
pituitary
repeat.
lobes, the front lobe and the back lobe, the anterior and the posterior lobe. Okay. So different hormones are released from the anterior and the posterior. But that much is not in your course that you will study in class 10.
Ma'am.
Okay.
Yes.
Write down pituitary gland. Pituitary gland is the master gland of the body. Write down. Pituitary gland is known as the master gland of the body because it releases many hormones that control other endocrine glands.
It is known as the master gland of the body as it releases many hormones that control
For
other
the other endocrine glands. Like yesterday I told you that it controls your thyroid gland also. It
parathyroid
controls
gland.
your renal gland also. It controls your insulin levels also.
Metabolism.
Yes. It is controlling everything. That is why pituitary gland is known as the master gland of
Master gland of the body.
Yes, it's releasing its hormones also, but it's controlling the secretions from other glands also. Yes? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
The pituitary gland is the master gland of the body because it releases the hormones which control the other glands, other endocrine glands. Write down. Few of the hormones released from pituitary gland are
Now what?
few of the hormones released from the pituitary gland are
Released from this gland are.
growth hormone.
Now let's write this in points.
Huh?
Can we write this in points? Like
Yeah. Write growth hormone, GH. You can write capital G, capital H. And then you can write in bracket growth hormone.
growth hormone.
Growth hormone, TH.
GH.
Let's write TSH.
What is TSH?
Thyroid stimulating hormone. There are many hormones, I'll tell you, which are released from pituitary, but you don't need to go in detail into that. It releases your adrenocorticotropic hormone, which is controlling your kidneys. It releases your thyroid stimulating hormone, which balances the
TSH.
body. Then it releases few male hormones, controls the male hormones. And second, it controls the female hormones. Yes?
Ma'am, so can we write it in 1 point?
Detail because you will study in class 10th in detail.
Ma'am, so can we write it in like controls male hormones in male and female hormones in females?
If you want to write in one line, you can write. It also controls the male hormone testosterone and female hormone estrogen. Yes?
It also controls male hormones
Testosterone and the female hormone. And the female hormones you can write just. Then write down. You just have to study about the growth hormone in class 8. Okay? Put the heading growth hormone. Write down.
Ma'am, just 1 minute. Female hormone, estrogen.
What do you mean by growth hormone? And you tell what is growth hormone going to do? Growth hormone. What is the effect of growth hormone?
Ma'am, it helps to increase our growth.
Yes.
Physical development.
Yes.
So we'll write only growth hormone and thyroid stimulating hormone.
Yes. Write down. Growth hormone
And just 1 minute.
has marked its influence. Has marked its influence
Ma'am, please repeat.
in the
Ma'am,
Your voice
please,
is very low.
body growth.
ma'am, please repeat.
In the body growth.
Ma'am, please tell from the starting.
Growth hormone has marked its influence on the growth of the body or on the body growth.
It can mark its influence.
Ma'am, your voice is not audible.
It has marked its influence on
The growth of the body. Apurv, right? Don't waste time.
Ma'am, your
Body
voice
growth.
is not audible.
My Wi-Fi is showing complete. Why it is not audible?
No, ma'am, it is
Ma'am,
audible.
ma'am, now it is audible, ma'am, but previous it was very low.
Also put your earphones. Growth hormone has marked its influence on the growth of the body. Lack of growth hormone. Lack of growth hormone.
And this is a new line.
Lack of growth hormone during the growth years. During the growth years causes the person to grow as a dwarf.
During the growth years, causes the person to grow as a dwarf. Dwarf, what do you mean by dwarf? Ma'am, not growing according to the age.
Yes, in Hindi we call it Bona, right? A very small person.
Causes a person to
Growing in age, but not growing physically.
Yes, ma'am.
Write down. Lack of sufficient amount of growth hormone
During the growth years,
years
causes
can
a
cause a
person to grow as a
person to grow as a dwarf. Very small person with small hands, small legs. Have you seen dwarfs?
Yes, ma'am.
Have you seen dwarfs?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
In the
ma'am.
book it is given.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then write down. Apurv is laughing. I don't know why. What has he? Apurv?
Ma'am, I am not laughing.
Okay. I thought you're thinking something.
No, ma'am.
Okay. Write down. Too much of production of growth hormone. Too much production of growth hormone can make a
Production.
person abnormally tall. Can make a person abnormally tall. Have you
Too
seen
much
tall
of production
person?
of growth hormone can make a person
Abnormally tall, very tall. Taller than the normal height. Okay?
leading to a situation called gigantism.
Yes. This problem is known as gigantism.
Please tell us spelling.
This problem is known as gigantism. What happens in this? In this, write down. In this,
Ma'am, please repeat. This problem is known as
Gigantism.
Gigantism, gigantism.
In this,
Gigantism, gigantism. In this problem, the bones get thickened instead of gaining what? Elongation, they get thickened. The facial bones, the body looks heavier. The bones get thickened instead of elongating.
I mean dwarfism.
No. Gigantism के आगे लिखो. Sachit, what happened?
Do not.
Sachit, there is some problem in network with Sachit, I think. Write down. Have you written?
Yes, ma'am.
Problem, the bones get thickened instead
And do not allow me.
Yes, instead of elongating. And this problem is called acromegaly. Is known as acromegaly. In which the bones get thickened instead of elongating.
Now what is this spelling?
I'll show you the problem acromegaly. See on your screens. See, can you see a person suffering from acromegaly?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
See,
Yes, ma'am.
his bones have thickened so much. Can you see so much of swelling on his face? And his whole face is looking so massive, so bigger. And it happens when too much. Why? When it is happening? When too much of growth hormone is
Growth
released.
hormone get produced.
Yes, when it is produced less, the person remains a dwarf.
Dwarf.
And when it's released in more quantities, a person can suffer from gigantism
Gigantism.
and
Yes. Acromegaly.
Okay.
Now, what is the spelling of acromegaly?
What happened?
ACROMEGALY.
What are you saying, Mrityunjay?
Mummy was asking the spelling of acromegaly.
Okay, acromegaly. 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 Then put the heading thyroid gland. Put the heading thyroid gland. Write down. Thyroid gland is a bilobed gland.
Yes, I read. Thyroid gland.
Thyroid gland is a bilobed gland. Present in the
Ma'am, what is the spelling of bilobe?
bilobed. Bilobed. Thyroid gland is a bilobed gland present in the neck region. Present in the neck region. In between trachea and larynx.
In between
Trachea and larynx.
trachea and trachea and
What is the location of thyroid gland?
ma'am, it is present in the neck between
Between trachea
the voice
and-
box and trachea.
Okay, Apurv, where is the thyroid gland present?
Thyroid gland is
Yes.
thyroid gland is present in the neck region in between trachea and voice box.
Yes. Yesterday I had shown you the picture of thyroid gland. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. See on your screens. It will appear. Can you see on your screen?
No, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
The
Ma'am,
thyroid gland. See the shape of the thyroid gland. How it is made. This is bilobe. Two lobes are made. Can you see? Two lobes.
No, ma'am. Ma'am, the screen is removed. Ma'am, Yatharth has removed the screen.
Screen is removed.
Ma'am, is this a
Yes, ma'am.
thyroid gland?
This is the thyroid gland. And adjacent to those are the parathyroid glands. See. Yes? Is it visible now?
Yes, ma'am.
See the location of pituitary?
Yes, ma'am.
Thyroid gland. And adjacent to those are the parathyroid glands. They are the four small glands. Dot-like structures, can you see? The dot-like structure. These red dots, can you see?
Yes, ma'am.
These are parathyroid glands. They are small glands. They are embedded in the thyroid. Okay. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Write down. Right? The thyroid gland produces an iodine containing hormone called thyroxine. It produces an iodine containing hormone called thyroxine. Too much release of thyroxine in the body, too much release of thyroxine in the body makes a person overactive.
Ma'am, please tell once again from larynx.
Too much. It produces an iodine containing hormone.
Ma'am,
called
too much?
thyroxine.
What?
Yatharth, why you are creating problem, bhai?
Ma'am, just repeat it once again. I just got disconnected.
It produces an iodine containing hormone called thyroxine hormone. Thyroxine. Thyroxine. Thyroxine hormone.
Iodine containing hormone.
The thyroxine hormone. Write down too much release. Too much. ज़्यादा release होता है ये तो क्या होता है? What happens? Too much release of thyroxine in the body makes the person overactive. The person turns thin.
Makes a person overactive and thin.
Yes, overactive and thin. And if it is released in less quantities, write down. And if it is released in less quantities, the person becomes slow, fat, with makes a person slow, fat, with decreased levels of energy. With decreased levels of energy.
With less energy.
Is it clear?
Now, should I repeat it once again?
Yes.
It is a bilobed gland present in the neck region between trachea and larynx. It produces an iodine-containing hormone called thyroxine. Its too much release in body makes a person overactive and thin. While if a lack of thyroxine happens, a person slows and fats with less energy.
With decreased levels of energy. Okay. So, if the thyroid is released in more quantities, that problem is called as hyperthyroidism. What?
Hyperthyroidism.
And if it is being released in less quantities, it is known as hypothyroidism. What?
Hypothyroidism.
So where you have written more, write hyperthyroidism, and where you have written less, write down hypothyroidism. Hyper and hypo. Hypo means less, hyper means more. More secretion, less secretion. Done?
No, I'm just on it.
Okay, write down. If thyroxine hormone is released, less in childhood, if thyroxine hormone is released less in childhood, if thyroxine hormone is released less in childhood, it results in
I've written if in childhood there is a lack of thyroxine, it results in
lack of thyroxine in childhood leads to arrested mental growth. Leads to arrested growth and mental retardation. The child is not mentally fit if thyroxine is not released in early childhood. Okay, and growth is
leads
also,
to arrested growth and mental instability.
yes, the child will not grow properly. The growth of the child will not happen properly, and his mental well-being is also affected. Okay, if it is released less in the growing years, in childhood. Okay, and if it is released, write down, and if it is released in less quantities during if it is released less during adulthood, and if it is released less during adulthood, it leads to sluggish. It leads to sluggish. 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 Sachit, there is some problem at your place, beta. Maybe some network issue is there today.
Ma'am, sluggish.
Sluggish physical and mental activities. Sluggish physical and mental activities. Even if an adult person is having less levels of thyroxine, what will happen? He will not remember things, okay, properly. And he will not be able to do that much of physical work that the person should do. He is not able to do up to the match, up to that physical ability, okay, and not able to perform mentally also properly. Clear?
Ma'am, today I'll send you the second week's work.
Okay, listen. Children, today we have completed 2 glands. We have studied the gland, the master gland of the body, and then we have studied today the thyroid gland. Yes? And then that yesterday I told you about the pancreas. So you will revise pancreas also, you will revise pituitary gland and thyroid gland as well. In the next class, in the communication class that we have at 11:30, we will be studying about the adrenal gland and the nature of pancreas. I will tell you the dual nature of pancreas, how pancreas is working as a heterocrine gland. We will be studying that. Okay? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
So Mrityunjay, please open your microphone.
Yes, ma'am.
Mrityunjay,
Yes, ma'am.
now can you tell me the difference between hypothyroidism and hyperthyroidism? What do you mean by hypo and what do you mean by hyper?
Ma'am, thyroid is less released, and in high, ma'am, it
Hypo का
is
मतलब
released.
by hypo.
In less quantity.
Hypo means less quantity. बोलो मृत्युंजय. Hypo means less quantity.
Ma'am, I have written pituitary gland. It is known as the master gland of the body as it releases many hormones that control other endocrine glands. Few of the hormones released from this gland are growth hormone, thyroid stimulating hormone. It also controls male hormone testosterone and female hormone estrogen. Growth hormone. It has marked its influence on body growth. Lack of growth hormone during the growth years causes a person to grow as a dwarf, while too much of production of growth hormone can make a person abnormally tall. This problem is known as gigantism. In this, the bones get thickened and do not elong, and this problem is called acromegaly. Thyroid gland. It is a bilobed gland present in the neck region in between trachea and larynx.
Neck region over here.
Yes, ma'am. It produces iodine containing hormone called thyroxine. Its too much release in body makes a person overactive and thin. While a lack of
This problem is known as hyperthyroidism.
hyperthyroid. Yes, ma'am.
ज़्यादा release हुआ, then that is called as hyperthyroidism. और जब
Yes,
less
ma'am.
release हो रहा है
Hypothyroidism.
hypothyroidism.
Yes, ma'am. If lack of thyroxine happens, a person slows and fats with less energy. This condition is known as hypothyroidism. If in childhood there is a lack of thyroxine, it leads to arrested growth and mental instability. If it is released less during adulthood, it leads to sluggish physical and mental activity.
Okay. So you will revise these glands for today, okay? And then in
Yes,
the next
ma'am.
year, we will be starting with the adrenal gland and the pancreas. Okay?
Yes,
We
ma'am.
will be finishing off this chapter today.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, children, you can log out for now.